Learn SEO first.
AI is replacing marketers. Build your personal brand. Meta ads is all you need. Content is king.
Marketing still works.
The internet has made learning digital marketing easier than ever and somehow made it even more confusing. We don't have information problem anymore. We have clarity problem. Everyone tells you what to learn, SEO, AI ads, branding, email, analytics, but almost nobody explains how all of these actually fit in together. Quick question before moving forward. What's that one thing that's confusing you the most right now? SEO, AI ads, branding? Drop it in the comment section. I'll read every single one of them. Also, it will help me decide what to cover next. So today, I'm not giving you another list or another roadmap. I'm going to show you how the way I think if I had to learn everything from scratch today. Quick question. Have you ever saved reels thinking probably I'll watch this later? And now you have 4,000 saved posts that you'll probably never open again. That's exactly how most people learn marketing. We collect information instead of connecting information. Think of it like buying gym equipment. If buying equipment made people fit, January would be the healthiest month on earth. But it doesn't because owning tools isn't the same as knowing how to use them. Marketing works exactly the same way. Learning SEO doesn't automatically make you a marketer. Learning meta ads doesn't either. Neither does AI. They're just tools. The real question is, what are those tools actually trying to solve? Once you answer that, every marketing skill starts making a lot more sense. Okay, let's try something. Imagine tomorrow morning you decide to open a coffee shop. What's the first thing you'd do? Seriously, think about it, don't skip ahead. Most people would probably say find a location or design a logo or make an Instagram page or maybe even run ads. None of those. Because before any of that, there's one question every successful business has to answer. Who's actually going to buy this coffee? Imagine your customer, our college students. Would your pricing be different? Absolutely. Would your Instagram content be different? Of course. Would your offers be different? 100%. Would your shop vibe will be different? Definitely. Now imagine your customer is corporate professional. Everything changes again. The coffee is the same, but the marketing is completely different. The moment everything clicked for me, marketing doesn't start with ads, it doesn't start with SEO, it doesn't even start with content. It starts with understanding people. And once you understand people, SEO, content, ads, branding, AI, everything has a purpose. They stop feeling like separate skills and starts becoming complete system. And that's why before learning any platform, I learned one thing first: how people make decisions. So now we know one thing: marketing doesn't start with tool, it starts with people. But here's the question: if everything connects, what does that connection actually look like? Let's build this together. This is your customer. Every business, every creator, every freelancer, every setup is trying to solve a problem for someone. The next question is, what are you actually offering them? A product, a service, a course, a cafe, an app, a YouTube channel? Now here's where marketing actually begins. How do you communicate that value in a way people instantly understand? Because the best product doesn't always win. The product people understand the fastest usually does. That's marketing. Once your message is clear, then and only then do the platform starts to matter. Instagram, YouTube, SEO, Google Ads, Meta Ads, email marketing. They are not different games. They are just different ways of delivering the same message to same people. And suddenly everything starts making sense. You are not learning 10 different skills anymore. You are learning one complete ecosystem. Actually, let me prove this. Pick any one successful company you know. Apple, Zomato, Blinkit, Swiggy. Guess what? They all use exact same system. The platforms change, the psychology doesn't. And once I understood that, I stopped asking what skill should I learn next and started asking which part of the system do I not understand yet. That one question completely changed how I started learning. So now we know the whole system, customer problem message channels. But here's something I wish someone had told me earlier. Learning marketing isn't difficult. Learning it in wrong order is. Imagine you're learning to drive a car. What's the first thing you'd learn? Parking? No. Highway driving? No. Drifting? Hopefully, no. You first learn how to control the car because everything else depends on that foundation. Marketing works exactly the same way, but most of us learn it like SEO, Canva, ChatGPT, Meta ads, Google Analytics, email, copywriting, funnels. Not because we are doing something wrong, but because that's exactly how the internet teaches. One reel says use this AI tool, another says this SEO trick changed everything. Then someone says Instagram is dead. 5 minutes later, another creator says Instagram has never been this better. And what we do? Save, 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 save. And then confuse. That's not learning, that's collecting. And collecting knowledge feels productive, but it rarely creates clarity. Let me show you something. Think of marketing like climbing stairs. Customer offer, message, content distribution, optimization. Imagine trying to jump directly to the fifth step. Possible? Maybe. Sustainable? Definitely not. You'll probably fall and then blame yourself, while in reality, the problem wasn't you, it was wrong. And that's exactly why so many people quit. Not because marketing is too difficult, but because they never got a clear path. So if I had to start all over again, here's the exact order I'd follow. And honestly, it might surprise you. Alright, we have talked about the chaos, we have talked about why learning randomly doesn't work, we have built the bigger picture. So now let's answer the question you clicked on this video for. If I had to learn digital marketing from scratch today, this is exactly how I'd do it. Pillar 1. Understand people. I wouldn't open YouTube, I wouldn't search best AI tools or learn SEO in 10 minutes. I'd first try to understand people. Why do people buy? Why do they ignore ads? Why do they trust some creators instantly while scrolling past hundreds of others? Because if you understand people, every marketing decision becomes easier. Marketing isn't about selling, it's about understanding. And honestly, this is something you'll keep learning for the rest of your career. Pillar 2. Understand businesses. Once you understand people, the next question becomes how do businesses actually make money? Sounds obvious, but trust me, most people skip this completely. Ask yourself, why does Zomato spend money on discounts? Why does Apple rarely give discounts? Why does Blinkit care so much about speed? Different businesses, different strategies, same goal. Solve a problem better than everyone else. Once you understand that, marketing starts making a lot more sense. Pillar 3. Learn communication. You know your customer, you understand the business, great. But there's still one tiny problem. People can't buy what they don't understand. That's where communication comes in. Copywriting, storytelling, content creation, branding, they aren't separate skills. They are all trying to answer one question. How do I explain my value so clearly that the right person immediately gets it? That's communication. Pillar 4. Get discovered. Okay, so now people understand your value, amazing, but they still need to find you. That's where things like SEO, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, email marketing, Google starts becoming important. Notice something? We didn't start here because getting discovered doesn't help. If people don't understand your value once they find Vilify, scale. Once something starts working, don't guess, scale it. Ads, Google Ads, marketing automation, AI workflow, funnels, these are amplifiers. Think of it like microphone. If you're singing well, a microphone helps. If you're singing bad, a microphone just makes the bad singing louder. Ads work exactly the same way. Good marketing becomes bigger, bad marketing becomes expensive. Pillar 6, improve forever. And finally, step most people ignore, learn to measure. Analytics, data, A B testing, customer feedback. Because marketing isn't about being right, it's about learning faster than everyone else. The best marketers aren't the ones who never make mistakes, they are the ones who notice them first. And that's it. Not a list of random skills, not another confusing roadmap, just one connected system. And once you understand this system, you'll never look at marketing the same way again. Tools keep changing, AI will keep evolving, new platforms will come, old platforms will disappear, but this way of thinking, this doesn't change. And that's exactly the mindset I want to build on this channel. Now, there's one thing we haven't talked about it yet. It's AI. Because if I was starting in 2026, I'd learn it very differently from how most of the are using it today. Okay, so now we have the complete picture. The question is, where do you actually begin? If I was starting today, I wouldn't try to learn all 6 pillars together because that's exactly what got me confusing in the first place. I'd pick one layer, understand it, practice it, and then only move to the next one. For example, the next time I'm watching a YouTube video, instead of just thinking, that was a good video, I'd ask, why was it a good video? The next time I see an ad, I won't just skip it. I'll ask, what made them choose these words? The next time I click on a thumbnail, I'll ask, what made me stop scrolling? Notice what changed. The internet is exactly the same. Our way of looking at it changed. I'm not saying stop watching reels or stop enjoying YouTube. I'm saying start watching them with curiosity. Because every ad, every reel, every website, every campaign has something to teach you. You know what question to ask. And of course, we can't talk about learning marketing in 2026 without AI. Personally, I think AI is one of the biggest advantage we have today. But here's something I've realized. AI doesn't replace learning, it accelerates learning. Think about it. Instead of asking AI, give me marketing ideas, I'd ask, why this campaign worked? Instead of write me a caption, I'd ask, rewrite this caption for 3 different type of audiences. Instead of giving me viral hooks, I'd ask, why do these 5 hooks keep working over and over again? Same AI, better questions, better answer. And honestly, that's how I want to use AI on this channel. Not just to find shortcuts, but to understand things better. One quick question. What's one AI tool you're using almost every day or one you have been meaning to try? Let me know in the comments. I'll give it in an upcoming video. Remember how this video started?
Learn SEO first. AI is replacing marketers. Build your personal brand. Meta ads is all you need. Content is king.
None of those creators were wrong. They were simply talking about different pieces of the same puzzle. And once you understand the whole picture, the internet doesn't feel confusing anymore. You stop asking what's the next skill I should learn and start asking which part of the system do I want to understand better. That's the mindset I want us to build here. Yes, we'll cover AI tools, we'll break down the latest marketing trends, we'll talk about SEO, content branding, ads, on everything that's changing in this industry. But every topic will always connect back to this bigger picture because trends will change, platforms will change, AI will keep evolving. But if you understand how marketing actually works, learning every new update becomes a lot easier. And I think that's much more valuable skill to build. So if there's just one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's this. Don't try to learn every marketing skill. Learn how marketers think. In the next episode, we are diving into the first layer, how people think. Because once you understand that, you'll start looking at every ad, every creator, every brand, and even your own content very different. If that sounds like something you'd enjoy, I think you're going to love what's coming next. Also, before you leave, let me know in the comments what's the biggest takeaway from today's video. I genuinely love to know what clicked for you. Until then, stay curious, keep growing. I'll see you in the next episode.